Now guys, for the ultimate test, let's see. Ah, yes. What's up guys? This is Corey Henderson. This is my first ever cooking vlog thing. And today, I'm gonna make a Lil Man skillet. Lil Man skillet. So, the Lil Man skillet is pretty much a miniature skillet based on whatever you have in your refrigerator. It's also known as the resourcefulman skillet. So, we will be using 3 mushrooms, 2 potatoes, probably a half of this jalapeno, this half of onion, 1 egg, somewhere in there. There he goes. There's the egg. And 1 slice of bacon. 1 slice. You could use 2 if you want, if you cook it for more than, a couple people. But this is the Lil Man skillet, so we gonna make sure to keep it Lil Man style. Okay. And so, also, I think what's really funny is that I'm looking at my LCD screen right now, so I'm just like looking off, but I really should actually be looking at you guys. So I'm gonna get that down. I'm gonna practice that. But it's pretty hard to not like just look at myself like, we weren't as crispy as we thought we were. Don't worry guys, it's shea butter. It's just shea butter. Okay, now I gotta wash my hands. Okay, so sometimes, not all times, I like to kind of cook on the fly. So I'll just throw the bacon on there, and then I'll start cutting the potatoes, and then I'll start cutting the onions, and I'll be throwing spices on there. And I just like to do it that way sometimes. You can say in the comments if I shouldn't do it that way, or if you like that, if you tried. It kind of makes it so you have to just keep cooking, and you don't, you can't stop. It doesn't work for every meal, but I think it's kind of fun to do it like that. So I'm going to get that smacking. All right. So what I'm going to do though, I'm going to use some bacon grease and some olive oil. I'm going to put the bacon down first, and then I'm going to start cutting the potatoes. Not everybody likes to just fry their bacon like this. Some people, they like to let it drip. That was the dripping motion. I like it either way. I like it one way or the other sometimes, so it doesn't really bother me either way. I guess it kind of reminds me of the Spanish, how they do it when they just throw it on there. But I like more spices than the Spanish. So I'm going to cook these patatas. Let that bacon just get a little head start. So I like to mince my potatoes into little squares like these. I saw somebody doing this in a video and I never stopped. Another thing I really like to do is I like to put spices on my bacon. This is not sea salt, this is cayenne pepper. You just put it in there. It's real hot. I like to spice that bacon, and then it goes onto the potatoes. Some chili powder. As you can see, I like spicy stuff. And so this isn't just spice for the bacon, it's spice for all, the whole thing. I like, sometimes I just throw stuff just throw stuff in there, you know? Lemon pepper, I like it. And this is thick cut bacon, so it kind of acts as our salt, you know? The bacon grease is going to be our salt. So let's just see. We want to, you know, get this moving around a little bit. Yeah. Okay. And then it's starting to smack. Throw these potatoes on there. They need some extra time anyway. So, you know, get those going around. If you got some B-roll. Here's some B-roll. Yeah, this isn't easy. This blog thing ain't easy. So now what we want to do, while this is cooking, maybe let's just turn it down a little bit. Get our onions and our garlic going. Some might say I could have thrown those onions in there in the very beginning. I agree, I totally agree. But I just didn't, and sometimes I do things a different way. I'm going to make little discoveries along the way. It could be something to repeat or something not to repeat. Just is what it is. Those onions up in there.
Just a little bit, you know. It's kind of.
Well, this little man's skillet anyway, so I'm gonna have to be a little man. All right, so we out here cutting up this garlic, trying to mince it. Garlic optional, you know, you don't need it. It's all preference. Until those potatoes and that onion and the bacon is all going together real nice. And our spices. Alright. So, bam. Bam, bam. Alright. So let's just mix it around a little bit. And you can see, like, what I really like is when the potatoes and the bacon and the onion gets all charred. It gets charred with the spices. And so you kind of get a little mo out of your spice game. You know, make your spices, you know, take that extra step. I'm like reconsidering this jalapeno though, because it's already going to be, it's going to be pretty spicy. All right, sorry, we're reframing right now. Yeah, it's like an alien. We just want to reframe it just a little bit for y'all. I don't know why I moved it that far away. Okay, so it's for your eyes, because this jalapeno, you're going to be able to taste it through the screen. So turn it into crunch time pretty quickly, but it's all good. We straight. Jalapenos in there, and then we're going to throw the mushroom. Throw the mushroom in there last because it's the mushrooms cook really fast. So, I'll give you some more B-roll. We're gonna do a little slow-mo B-roll while it's cooking. Okay, now we're going to chop the mushroom. Got to wash. Let's give her a mix. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. The time coming soon. I start cutting bacon. We like to cut bacon. You can cut it up. You can use a knife. But First the mushroom. So, get these mushrooms going. And don't worry about the mushrooms since we're throwing the egg in there. They're going to get plenty of time to cook, so. But I think it's almost time to throw it in there. So I usually just make a little hole. Make a hole for the eggs. Or for one egg. This is a bigger than a little man's skillet. A little bit bigger than I expected. So, it's all good. Get our little hole. This is the hole for the eggs. We just drop it in there. Alrighty. Time for the egg. Let's hope that I can do it good for my first video. I think I did. Not bad. Alrighty. Hey, you stop looking at that. So I'm gonna let you do the math. It's 11:05, and I'll let you know when this egg is poached. But one thing, you want to make sure that you poach the egg as long as you want to poach it. So if you want it, it's kind of runny, don't poach it for as long. If you want it more like a boiled egg, then give it a little bit more time. Always make sure to check it. I'm going to give you a little tip to see actually, you know, how hard or not hard is your yolk. So it's up to you. Up to you how hard you want your yolk to be. I go through phases of wanting my yolks hard and runny, different situations. So for me, it's just whatever. I like eggs, you know? I like eggs! Alright. For my skateboarders out there, remember P-Rod's In Bloom part in this song that he used? It was like, for me, for some reason that guy, he was never so clear in the background. So that I'm that guy now, and I'm like, I like eggs. So you guys, whoever knows that, only the In Bloom watchers will know that one. So that's for y'all. So back to the egg game. So as you can see, it's not done yet. Egg game, not done. 2 minutes, not enough. 2 minute medium heat, backwards oven mitt. So when I'm checking the egg, if I want it though, I always just see, oh look, is it just shaking? It's shaking, so I don't think that's how I want it. So I put it back. I like eggs. Check it out. I like eggs. Check it out. It's been about 4 minutes. Our eggo is still underway. Shouts out to Buzz Cafe. Oh, there goes my dad. Sorry. Coughing up the video. Alrighty. This looks like it might be a little runny. We'll see. I had this in my back pocket. I had the oven mitt in my back pocket. Give me 1 second. It's been about 5 minutes poaching. So you see it? It's still moving. That means it'll probably still be runny at this point, which is kind of what I want. I still want it to be runny, so I think I'm going to turn this off and I'm going to eat it. What do you think, guys? Should I eat it? Should I eat it? I think I'm gonna eat it. Looking good to me. And I had mine kind of, it was like I had kind of a boiled egg type recently. So I want this one to be runny. Okay? Okay. Talking to that guy, not you. Alright, let's do this. Okay, now guys, for the ultimate test, let's see. Ah, yes. Kind of runny. Could be a little bit more, but maybe that's just how we wanted it, you know? Ah, yes. Well, this is the Lil Man Skillet. So, I'm gonna get a knife, cut my bacon. Woo! Lil Man Skillet. So, you might not want to make this. You might want to make it. You might want to change something up. You might want to make it exactly how this is right here. So, that's up to you. I hope this just inspired you to want to cook something to begin with. Oh, this is banging. Super duper banging. So, let me know in the comments what you want to see me cook. If you want to see me cook something different or eat something different, I don't know. Just leave it in the comments and let me know what you think of this video. It's pretty tasty though. Alrighty. That's what's up. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out, y'all.